Everly's Badge Studio includes Badge Creation Wizzard that will help you design your badge step by step. We will see how to use the Wizzard without a database. Click on the Wizzard icon, then follow the steps on the screen. First, select the card orientation, then click on Next. The Wizzard invites you to customize the background of your badge. A library of backgrounds is available. If none of them correspond to your requirements, you can import your image using the Browse button. Click on Next. This screen allows you to add graphic objects to your badge. Select, for example, one photo and one logo. Customize the logo by browsing for one on your computer. Now you can choose the number of text fields that will appear on your card and customize them directly in the Wizzard. When you click on Finish, your badge will appear on the screen with the items selected during the previous stages. Now you just need to move them and double-click to customize them. You can modify their properties at any time. Your badge is ready to be printed.